Hello students, how you all doing? I hope you are doing well. Today I am here to recapitulate the chapter, and the title of the chapter is A Letter to God by G.L. Prentice. Students, it's really very interesting chapter, so let's discuss about the character in this chapter. There are Lancho. Lancho is the protagonist of this chapter. Woman is the wife of Lancho. Postmaster and postman. So students, Lancho was a hard-working farmer who lives in a valley, and his house situated on the top of the hill, from where he could see his fields. Okay. What happened with Lancho? As I just now I have mentioned, Lancho was a hard-working farmer, so his field or his crops was needed sharp. Okay. And he was hoping for rain, right? And one day he predicted that it would rain. Okay, and his prediction came true, and it started raining. Okay, and after some time, as it started raining, Lancho was overjoyed, and he went outside to feel the pleasure of rain. And after some time, but what happened? Rain it's converted into hailstone, and it covered his all crops, and his crops was completely destroyed. Lancho was worried about his livelihood, how he could survive, and he told his wife that this year he would die of hunger. Okay, and all through night he was thinking about God. Okay, he was thinking only one hope was there, that was God. Okay, so what he did, the following Sunday he wrote a letter to God, and he mentioned over there that just because of the hailstone, his crops totally destroyed. So send him 100 pesos so that he and his family could survive, right? And he went to the post office, and at home only he put the letter inside the envelope, and he addressed God, right? And he went to the post office, and he placed stamp on the envelope, and he put it into letter box. Then what happened? Postman who received the letter, and as he saw the address, he started laughing that where he would go to send this letter, right? And laughingly he went to the postmaster. He handed over that letter to the postmaster. As postmaster was an amiable person, and he also started laughing. He started laughing, and after some time he understood the seriousness of this letter. He read the letter, and he understood the problem of Lancho. So he told his employees to contribute, and he told his friends also for the contribution, so that Lancho would survive. And he himself given his part of his salary. You know what, students, as postmaster, with the help of employee and all his friend, postmaster collected the amount that was 70 peso. But he was happy, and he put the amount in an envelope and addressed Lancho and signature God. He was happy. Postmaster was happy, and when Lancho came and he asked about his letter, and postman who was happy, and he thought that after receiving the amount Lancho would feel happy. But what happened, do you know? As Lancho started counting the amount, he became angry. And he asked, then and there he wrote a letter. And in his letter he mentioned that God, you have given me 70 peso, but please send me rest of the amount, that is 30 peso, in my personal address. Do not stand here in the post office, because you know these post office employees were a bunch of crook. So in this way I have come to an end of this chapter. I hope you have understood. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you so much. Bye.